Next student, please. Good morning.
Good morning.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
Okay, and I need your paper. Okay, and your name is Anita, and spell the last name?
L-A-I.
Okay, and your birthday is February 14, 1980.
Yes.
Valentine's Day. Okay, now I'm going to ask you 4 questions about American history. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. And what is a group of Americans called?
A tribe.
And what are some important skills or knowledge that the Native Americans had?
They knew about special plants and they used the plants for medicine.
What is one reason the colonists came to America?
They came because they wanted the freedom of religions.
And there were 13 original states or colonies in America. Name 3.
Pennsylvania, Maryland, New Jersey.
Okay, thank you. And now it's time for you to give your short oral report,
Yeah.
and you may begin.
I'm going to talk about the Pilgrims. The Pilgrims are important because they came to America for religious freedom and established many colonies. The Pilgrims had many problems when they first arrived in America in 1620. It was almost winter, so they were not able to plant crops. They didn't have time to build houses, and hunting was difficult because they didn't know the area. In the spring of 1621, they met the Native Americans. The Native Americans shared their knowledge with the Pilgrims. After 1 year, the Pilgrims had built a small community which includes some houses and their own church. In November of 1621, the Native Americans helped the Pilgrims harvest the crops. The Pilgrims were thankful for their survival and grateful to the Native Americans for their help during the past year. They had a special 3-day celebration. This was the first Thanksgiving in America. Today, Thanksgiving is an important national holiday in America, and we remember the Pilgrims at this time.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And now you can return to your room.
Oh, thank you.
Next student, please. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, and your paper. Okay, and your name is Yiling Chen?
Yes.
Okay, and your birthday is August 11th, 1981?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm going to ask you 4 questions about American history. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. What is one reason the colonists came to America?
Religious freedom.
Who wrote the Declaration of Independence?
Thomas Jefferson.
What are some important skills or knowledge that the Native Americans had?
They knew how to hunt, fish, farm, and make tools.
And what important holiday began as a celebration between the colonists and the Native Americans?
Thanksgiving.
Okay. And now it's time for you to present your oral report, and you can begin.
Okay, I'm going to talk about Native Americans. The Native Americans are important because they were the first people to build this country. Thousands of years ago, Native Americans walked across the ice bridge from Asia to the Americas. They had many different tribes with different languages, houses, foods, clothes, and religions. But all Native Americans took good care of their Mother Earth. They passed down their stories orally from generation to generation. The Native Americans knew how to hunt, fish, farm, and make tools very well. They also had knowledge about special plants, which they used for natural medicines. They shared their knowledge with the Pilgrims in 1621 and helped them survive and harvest crops. Thanksgiving is an important national holiday today. We celebrate it because it began between the Native Americans and the Pilgrims. So we remember them at this time.
Okay. Thank you. And you can return to your room.
Okay, thank you.